Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Morton, your first and second grade teacher. I am so excited to be working with you all this year. I know it's very different the way we're doing school online, and I appreciate your patience and your communication. I know it's totally new for all of us, so we're all learning together, and let's just work really hard and have a great year and let me know what I can do to make it as rewarding for your child and enjoyable. It's just a really enjoyable experience for your child because that's what matters the most. So please make sure to reach out to me if you ever have questions or concerns. Today I'm going to go over our schedule because I know many of you are very curious on how that's going to look this year. So let's dive right into it. So every day from 9 a.m. from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., I will have an office hour. I will be available to all families for questions and homework help. Then at 9 o'clock, from 9 o'clock to 9:30, everyone in our class is going to meet together. And we'll just do a morning check-in and go over your assignments that you will be working on when you're not meeting with me. My first small group will begin at 9:30, and I'll be working with this small group from 9:30 to 10:30. And the first group I'm working with is all of our first graders: Natalia, David, Daniel, Tiffany, Dylan, Sophia, Kimberly, Eli, and Delilah. During this hour, I will be working with you on reading, writing, English language development, and math. So that will be our time together. And when we're done, and then when we finish our meeting, the first graders will go off and work on their online assignments, which they'll need to turn in by 4 p.m. And then my next group will begin at 10:30, and I'll be working with them from 10:30 to 11:30. And this is my first second grade group, which I'm calling A for now. Joseph, Jesse, Ricardo, Oscar, Chris, Brandon, Jaden, and Mia. So from 10:30 to 11:30, I'm just going to be working with those students. And when those students sign off, then they're going to go work on their online work. From 11:30 to 12:30 will be our lunch hour, and I would hope you guys all are able to go out and get your lunch. Monte Vista is still providing free lunches, so please make sure you're taking care of yourself and getting your daily meals. From 12:30 to 1:30, I'll work with second grade group B, which will be Grace, Isaiah, Herman, Luca, Jasmine, Michael, Kylie, and Jason. And then after I work with group B, everybody is going to come back online at 1:30 to meet again. And we're going to just go over what your homework was and how to turn it in. And it's going to be our closing, and just make sure everyone understands what to do and make sure everyone's feeling happy and good about themselves. So all homework and assignments will need to be submitted into Google Classroom by 4 o'clock. I will show you how to do that on Monday. Don't worry. There won't be a lot of homework, I promise. But students are expected to complete assignments and turn it into Google Classroom every day. And where I say please scroll down for additional information, I include a picture. This is our Google Classroom, and this is called the banner right here. If you go to your banner and click here, that is the link where your child will click on and join our meets every day. So they'll use that link to meet with us, to meet with me in whole group and during their time that we all meet together, that they are meeting with me. So that's very important to note. That's where our Google Meet link is. And some other important things: we will meet on Google Meet every day. We will all meet at 9 o'clock. And whoops, I need to change that to say 1:30. I'm going to change that right now. 1:30. Please, excuse my manners, please see the schedule for your child's small group time. And you'll click on the link in the Google Classroom banner to join your scheduled time, which is right here. When you are not online, you will be completing your daily assignments. Please turn in all assignments into Google Classroom by 4 p.m. every day. And parents may see all assignments and grades by accepting the email invitation to Google Classroom. So let me show you real quickly what that is. So here, this page right here is our Google Classroom. Yep, that's me on an airplane and falling into the couch and me being a little bit of a prima donna there. And right now, if I click on People, your Google Classroom looks a little different than mine. This is the teacher setting, but right here you can see, like, this is Delilah, for example. She has accepted the the Google Classroom invitation, and so has her mom, because I emailed her. Once she accepted, I was able to email her mom and also invite her. So all of Yesenia will be able to see all of Delilah's work. So I see some people have been invited and they haven't accepted. Please try to accept that so you can see everything that is posted on our stream. This is called the stream. This is the stream where I make announcements. Classwork, you'll see, I'll add assignments and you'll see it right here posted. People is so you can see who's in your class. And grades, you can see where your work is submitted. So yes, you definitely want to make sure you are added to the Google Classroom. I believe I added all of my first graders manually. So first graders, you don't have to worry, you're already in. See if you can find it though, and maybe write a comment or send a picture like Grace did, and just to say hello. Second graders, I'm still waiting on you, so please make sure you accept it very soon, and then I can add your parents. So that's all. I'm going to go back to our schedule. I'm going to link this in the Parent Square apps so you can see it and have access to it. I'll also post this on Google Classroom. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. All right. I am going to tomorrow. Don't forget to come to Monte Vista tomorrow. We're passing out backpacks with school supplies and all the books that you need for learning, so please stop by tomorrow at your time. I believe Ms. Green posted it on Parent Square. She's doing it in order of last names. I can't remember the exact scheduling, but please check that out so you know what time to come and get your backpack. And I'm going to be there, so I can't wait to see you. All right, everybody. Hope to see you soon. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow and then seeing you on Monday. So please accept those Google Classroom invitations so we can get started quickly. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.